Oh, ho, ho. Happy birthday, baby Jesus.
Merry Christmas, Santa. What's new?
I've been very busy. There are more good people this year than ever.
Why more this year?
Well, baby Jesus, people are doing more giving this year than ever before to a brand new company called Bumper Bucks.
How does Bumper Bucks work, Santa?
Well, baby Jesus, all a person needs to do is go to bumperbucks.com, sign up for free. They receive a sticker in the mail in a couple of days. Car owners can put a sticker on their car and get paid. They can also donate their earnings to any good cause they want.
How much will Bumper Bucks pay car owners or their causes?
They can make between $24 and $100 per year, per sticker, plus incentives for each sticker. I've got 4 on my sleigh right now.
Indeed, that is good. And I should know, for I am the baby Jesus.
I'll ask the elves to go like Bumper Bucks on Facebook. Ho, ho, ho.
I shall ask the angels to tweet about it right now.
Bumperbucks.com. Beep, beep.